two MCQ type problem and taken from previous year paper of recruitment of wbpsc assistant master, right? And the first problem is the sequence yn, where yn this is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial to 1 by n factorial, and four options are given. We have to mark the right option. The first option is convergent, not convergent, oscillatory, and cannot be determined. Okay. It is clear that if we find yn plus 1, then this is 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial to 1 by n factorial plus 1 by n plus 1 factorial. Okay. So yn plus 1 minus yn, this is clearly 1 by n plus 1 factorial, and since n this is belongs to capital N, so this is greater than 0, and we write yn plus 1 greater than yn for all n belongs to capital N. So the sequence yn is monotonic increasing. Okay, this is the first property we prove. This is monotonic increasing. Also we know that factorial 3, this is equal to 6, and this is greater than 2 to the power 2. Okay, because this is 4. So 1 by 3 factorial less than 1 by 2 to the power 2. Similarly, factorial 4, this is greater than, this is 24, this is greater than 2 to the power 3, and we write 1 by 4 factorial less than 1 by 2 to the power 3. So for this sequence yn, we can write that 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by n factorial. We write this is less equal to 1 plus 1 plus half. We write the same term 1, 1 and 1 by 2 factorial. This is 1 by 2. And after that we write 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 to the power 3 to 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Because we know that n factorial greater than 2 to the power n minus 1. So 1 by n factorial less than 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay. Now we add this series. This is GP series. And we find the sum of this series is 1 minus half to the power n by 1 minus half. Okay, so this is less equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 minus half to the power n, and this is 3 minus 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Right, so we write yn less equal to 3. Clear? Because if we take n tends to infinity, then this term is tends to 0. So we write yn less equal to 3. And also it is clear that yn we write greater than y1, and y1 is given by 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial, this is 2. So we write this is 2 less than yn less than equal to 3. Okay, and it is clear that yn is bounded above because yn less equal to 3, and also we already proved this is monotonic increasing, and we know that any sequence which is monotonic increasing and bounded above, which is must be convergent. Okay, and so our correct option is option number A. This is convergent. In fact, we know that the limit of this sequence is lies between 2 and 3, and we know that this is very popular limit. This is n tends to infinity, yn, it is taken to be e. Okay, we all know this result. So our correct option is convergent. We also here add an additional information. This is the limiting value of this sequence is e. Now go to the second problem. The value of p for the function fx defined below be continuous at x equal to 1. Since the function is continuous at x equal to 1, so we get the right hand limit from this and left hand limit from this, and right hand limit and left hand limit must be equal, because it is said that it is continuous. So we write limit x tends to 1 plus fx. This is limit x tends to 1 minus fx. Okay, and 1 plus fx is given by p into 1 plus 3, and 1 minus fx is given by 1 square plus p square. So we get p square minus p minus 2, this is equal to 0. And by factorizing we get this is p minus 2 into p plus 1, this is equal to 0. So we get two value of p, these are 2 and minus 1. So for the value of p, which is option number A, p this is equal to 2 and minus 1, for which the function fx is continuous at the point x equal to 1. Very simple problem is this, and this is very important problem of sequence of real number. Okay, thank you and keep watching Math A to Z.